why you need to learn how to set up a 12 column grid in Figma, and why this is valuable for you as a designer. Well, I think there is this this is a foundation of a good responsive web interface, because using the 12 column grid system, this is going to help you to create a good web interface. It really ensures that your design really adapts without any problem to different screen sizes, desktop, tablet, mobile, by really providing a consistent layout structure. Now also, this is going to help you with your workflow. Using a 12 column grid really streamlines your design process. Dividing your canvas into predictable columns makes it faster to arrange elements, really maintain consistent spacing, and achieve a balanced composition. Now, how we do this? How do we have to go? Where do we have to go in Figma to create this? Well, I'm going to show you right now. So here, I'm going to click on, I can also press F, and to create a frame. From here we can create a frame or use the shortcut F. Now I have this frame here, and here in this panel where you can see here I have auto layout, layout grid, layer, field, stroke, effects, export, and here I have our layout grid. Well, a layout grid is Figma way to organize tools, which basically means it's going to help you to structure and align elements within your design. And now when we click on this, we have, it shows here grid 10 pixels here, and I can hide, or you can see the grid here. So I'll add a grid here, but I can click on this grid here and change from grid to columns, and here I can enter count to 12, or I change here from 12, and here I can copter, I can 20, it's good for me, and from stretch we can set center, and then we can increase this to about 30, or actually 25, sorry, or from 25 we can go to 50, but 50 is still not good, so I'm going to go to 80. And now I can change, if it's not visible, you can change the color here. And here, what do we have here? And that was confusing to me. This bar, it's actually changing transparency. So if you want this less transparent, you just drag this. If you want more visible, just increase this place. And now we have the width, we have here some offset. You also can grab this if you want to move this panel. We have the column and columns here from rows. You can change this, or from grid. And that's basically, in essence, and in a really short way, in a really fast way, how to set up a 12 column grid in Figma. There's more things to cover, but I don't want to make this video too long. So in essence, that's how you set up a 12 column grid in Figma. I hope you found this valuable. If you have more questions, please, about Figma, leave your questions down below. Something simple, how to do something in Figma, leave your questions down below. I really love to create this for you. And also I'm learning at the same time. So thanks for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.